Here's the Lennox Merit Series air conditioner running at my mom's other friend's house. We're going to be going to a water park, so I will get a startup and shutdown video of this maybe later today. It's a two-story house, but with only one unit. And when this gets replaced, they're going to go with dual zone. Data. Scroll compressor don't sound too happy. You know, move that logo to the front here, but it's a nice unit. It has a one of those Nest thermostats, I think. It's working good though. This unit actually came with the house. The house was built in 2004. Yeah, it's working really good. Throwing out a lot of heat too. Yep. Lennox Merit Series.